Hello, and welcome to the Record of Landing video at Imigroup. This video serves as an instructional tool to help people obtain a certified copy of the Record of Landing. In this video, we will be looking at the purpose of a Record of Landing, how to apply for a replacement Record of Landing, how to amend your Record of Landing, and how to obtain your Record of Landing on an urgent basis. What is the purpose of a Record of Landing? The Record of Landing is a historical document that contains details about you that were relevant at the time you became a permanent resident of Canada, such as name, sex, and date of birth. Before 2003, this document was called the IMM 1000 Record of Landing. From 2003 and onwards, this document is now called the IMM 5292 Confirmation of Permanent Residence. This information cannot be changed at a later date. It will only contain information that was relevant at the time you became a permanent resident of Canada. If there is a mistake on your Record of Landing, you may be eligible to obtain an amendment to the document, a procedure that will be discussed later in this video. Most government offices will not require the Record of Landing to offer their services, such as getting a driver's license or healthcare. However, for the purpose of applying to Service Canada for your old age pension, you will need a copy of your Record of Landing. Certain universities also request the Record of Landing for Canadian permanent residents to attend school. So how do I apply for a replacement Record of Landing? Applications must be submitted to Citizenship and Immigration Canada. If you wish to use Imigroup's services to help you obtain your Record of Landing, one of our representatives will process and submit your application to the government for you. If you wish to apply for the Record of Landing on your own, you should ensure that you contact the government for updated information. However, the basic elements for your application are as follows. First, the application form. Complete the form IMM 5009, the verification of entry, and the form IMM 5541, the supplementary form. Select the appropriate boxes on the form to indicate you are applying for a certified true copy of your immigrant visa and Record of Landing / confirmation of permanent residence. Supporting documentation. Along with the government forms, you must also provide photocopies of supporting documents. You must include the following. First, a copy of the passport you used at the time you became landed, or a copy of your birth, marriage, or baptismal certificate. Secondly, a copy of your current passport or a copy of the front and back of your driver's license. Thirdly, any of the following documents that apply. A copy of the front and back of your health card, a copy of the front and back of your Canadian citizenship card, a copy of any other identification issued by federal or provincial authority. If you do not have enough supporting documentation, please contact our offices and speak with a representative, and we will be able to help you obtain it. Fee payment and processing timelines. The government fee for a certified copy of a Record of Landing is $30. The entire process takes between 7 to 10 months. How do I amend my Record of Landing? If you wish to amend your Record of Landing, you must fill out a different form entirely, called the IMM 1436, the Request to Amend Immigration Record of Landing or Confirmation of Permanent Residence. Amendments to your Record of Landing can only be done if there is a mistake on your original. If you have changed any of your personal information since arriving in Canada, you may not change this on your Record of Landing. Supporting documentation. If you wish to amend your Record of Landing, you must provide the following documents. First, your original Record of Landing or Confirmation of Permanent Residence. Second, a certified copy of your passport or travel document used to immigrate to Canada. Third, a certified copy of any of the following documents: driver's license, identity card, birth or marriage certificate, school records, or employment records. A very important note regarding your supporting documentation. These documents must have been issued prior to the date you applied for permanent residence in Canada and be translated into English or French. Fee payment and processing timelines. There is no government fee to amend your Record of Landing. The processing timeline is between 5 to 7 months. So how do I obtain my record of landing on an urgent basis? The government will only recognize 2 situations as valid reasons for expediting your record of landing. One is if you need to obtain your old age security pension from Service Canada. The other is if you need the document to apply to university. If one of these situations applies to you, please contact our offices and speak with a representative to find out how Imigroup can help you. For more information on landing records, or if you have further questions or would like to set up an account, please contact us toll-free at 1-866-760-2623 or visit our website at www.imigroup.com. We wish you the best of luck.